Get ready to explore New Delhi in just 2 days. Top attractions, iconic eats, and the best luxury stay await. Stay till the end to discover a hidden gem most tourists miss. Now let's dive in. Standing tall as a tribute to fallen soldiers, India Gate is New Delhi's most iconic war memorial, surrounded by lush gardens perfect for a morning stroll or evening lights. It's a great place to feel the pulse of India's capital and capture timeless photos. Visiting here gives you a real sense of pride and history. Next, let's take a walk through the vibrant chaos of Old Delhi's beating heart. Welcome to Chandni Chowk, a bustling maze of markets, mouth-watering street food, and authentic Indian life. From delicious jalebis to intricate fabrics, every corner tells a story. Ride a rickshaw, haggle like a local, and taste Delhi's oldest traditions. This is sensory overload in the best way possible, and it's unmissable. Now let's step away from the noise and into a sanctuary of peace and modern beauty. A true architectural marvel, the Lotus Temple welcomes all religions into its serene flower-like structure. Surrounded by reflective pools and silence, it's the perfect place to pause, meditate, and absorb the spiritual calm of the city. Visitors leave refreshed and uplifted. Ready to indulge? Let's explore one of New Delhi's most legendary restaurants. Located inside the luxurious ITC Moria, Bukhara serves world-renowned North Indian cuisine in rustic, traditional style. Their legendary dal and giant naan are must-tries. Anthony Bourdain and Bill Clinton were fans. No cutlery here. You eat with your hands like royalty. Dining here is an unforgettable, flavorful experience. But for something more local and lively, our next stop is a favorite with Delhiites. If you're craving comfort food done right, Chicken Inn delivers. With creamy, spice-rich butter chicken served with warm naan, this is where locals go for the real thing. Casual, flavorful, and full of character, this spot gives you a taste of everyday Delhi magic. After all that delicious food, it's time to unwind in the best hotel New Delhi has to offer. The Oberoi New Delhi is luxury redefined. Panoramic views of the Delhi golf course, and Humayun's tomb, impeccable service, and top-tier dining. Whether you relax at the spa, sip tea in the lobby lounge, or enjoy a rooftop cocktail, the Oberoi offers a peaceful escape from the city buzz. It's the perfect place to stay for your Delhi adventure. But don't go just yet. The best surprise is still coming up. And now for the special gem we promised, Sunder Nursery, a beautifully restored heritage park filled with Mughal monuments, vibrant gardens, and peaceful paths. Loved by locals and still under the tourist radar, it's a perfect hidden oasis. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, New Delhi always has more to discover.